afternoon, class. I am your teacher, Michelle, your math teacher for this afternoon. Our topic for this afternoon is all about comparing numbers up to 100,000 using relational symbols. So what is relational symbols? So relational symbols are those symbols that we're going to use in comparing numbers. So these are the relational symbols. This symbol is what we call less than. And this symbol is what we call greater than. And this symbol is what we call equal sign. So now, when do we use less than? So these relational symbols are the symbols that we're going to use in comparing numbers. So now let's talk about first the less than. So when do we use less than? So we're going to use less than when one number is smaller than other number. For example, For example, 10,000 is less than 20,000. In these two examples, why is it we use less than? It's because 10,000 is less than 20,000. The next example is 20,000 is less than 40,000. So why is it we use less than symbol in comparing these two numbers? It's because 20,000 is less than 40,000. Now let's proceed to greater than. So when do we use greater than? So we're going to use greater than sign when one number is bigger than other number. For example, in this example, 30,000 is greater than 10,000. So why is it we use greater than in comparing these two numbers? Is it because 30,000 is greater than 10,000? The next example is 20,000 is greater than 15,000. So why is it we use greater than in comparing 20,000 and 50,000? It's because 20,000 is greater than 15,000. Now let's talk about the last sign, which is the equal to. So when do we use equal sign? So we use the equal sign when two numbers are the same. For example, For example, 30,000 is equals to 30,000. So why is it we use equal sign in comparing these two numbers? It's because 30,000 and 30,000 is just the same. In the next example, we have 20,000 is equals to 20,000. So why is it we use equal sign in comparing these two numbers? Is it because 20,000 and 20,000 are just the same? So, class, to be able to understand more about this topic, let's have these steps on how to compare numbers up to 100,000. So you must follow these steps.
The same, teacher.
Yes. Number 3 and number 3 here is just the same. So if it's the same, we were going to move again to the right. 8 and 7. So now, 8 and 7. What number is bigger?
8, teacher.
8. Very good. So number 8 is bigger than number 7. So what should be or what will be the relational symbol or symbol that we're going to use in this problem? So we're going to use greater than. So this is the symbol of greater than. So this is the third step. So in the problem that we did earlier, so this case, if they're different, determine which number is bigger or smaller. So that step is what we did in finding the smaller or the bigger. And the third step is use the relational symbols, just like this. So now to make you more understand, let's try this example. Let's try this. So 20,000 blank 80,000. So what will be the relational symbols that we're going to compare these two numbers? So we're going to use less than. So this is the less than symbol. Why? It's because 20,000 is less than 80,000. Now let's proceed to the second one. 90,000 blank 70,000. So what will be the relational symbol that we're going to compare these two numbers? So the relational symbols that we're going to compare these two numbers is the greater than. Why? Is it because 90,000 is greater than 70,000? The last is 45,000 and 45,000. So what will be the relational symbol that we're going to use in comparing these two numbers? It's equal sign. Why? Is it because equal sign or 45,000 and 45,000 are just the same? So, do you have any questions or clarifications regarding to our topic for today, class?
No, teacher.
Okay, thank you for listening and have a good day.